The fall of artificial control systems. Vanga's reference to the glass brain controlling human lives appears to describe our modern artificial intelligence and digital surveillance networks that monitor and influence every aspect of daily existence. The August 2025 prophecy suggests a critical failure in these systems that would, well, expose their true extent and purpose to an awakening population. Major tech companies report increasing AI malfunctions and data breaches that reveal the scope of digital manipulation previously hidden from public awareness. Social media platforms experience algorithmic failures that accidentally display their manipulation mechanisms, showing users how their thoughts and behaviors have been systematically influenced. Facial recognition systems malfunction globally, creating privacy gaps that allow populations to move unmonitored for the first time in decades. Financial networks show signs of instability as automated trading systems conflict with each other, causing market fluctuations that human operators simply can't control. Smart city infrastructure fails as interconnected systems overwhelm each other with contradictory commands. These technological breakdowns trigger a glitch awakening among populations who suddenly perceive the extent of their digital imprisonment. Cybersecurity experts warn that the convergence of system failures predicted for August 2025 could collapse the entire digital control matrix, forcing humanity to rediscover authentic communication and connection.